Hello there, Scott with SkipperBud's. This is one of our 2023 4-1s HD5s that we have available. See black with the red stripe. This boat's equipped with the Merc Cruiser 6.2 liter. Crawl up on in the boat here. This boat's got the gray interior. Lots of room throughout this boat. Nice big open bow area. It does have a ladder up front here. Two captains chairs. Nice walkthrough here. Rated for 13 people. Nice dash, kicker stereo. Got a nice helm. Though it does come with a bimini. It does have a porta potty in it. This flips back and forth here for comfort. Snap-in seaweed flooring. Bolster seats, kicker stereo. Does come with a table with mounts in the cockpit and the bow area. And there's a mount on the back of the boat as well. So a gate you can close off the area here. Cup holders all throughout. Those have indoor storage in the cockpit and up in the bow area. So lots of storage throughout the boat. Pop-up cleats throughout. Those have an onboard sprayer. Wash your feet off. It's a pump out head. And there you go. Well, if you have any other questions or some further interest in this boat or any other boat you see online at SkipperBud's, give us a call.